Fixing things. 1. Can you fix things? Yes, I have some basic skills in fixing things. I can handle simple repairs around the house, such as fixing a loose doorknob, replacing a light bulb, or tightening a loose screw. 2. Did anybody teach you to fix things when you were a child? Yes, my father taught me some basic fixing skills when I was a child. He used to involve me in small household repairs, which helped me gain confidence in handling simple fixes. 3. Do you think it is necessary for people to learn to fix things? Yes, I believe it is essential for people to learn basic fixing skills. Knowing how to handle simple repairs not only saves money but also empowers individuals to be more self-sufficient. It can be a valuable life skill, especially in situations where professional help may not be immediately available. 4. What do you do when a thing is broken and cannot be fixed? When a thing is broken and cannot be fixed, I first try to assess if it can be repaired by a professional. If it is beyond repair, I consider recycling or disposing of it responsibly, following the appropriate guidelines for waste management.